Hi, this is Linda and welcome back to Hands That Cook. Today we're going to make a quick meal. I don't really have a name. It was sent to me by one of my subs, Candy, and thank you, Candy, for sending me this. But this is a roast beef meal, and we're going to go right by her directions, except that I doubled it, okay? So in this pan, I've got 4 tablespoons of oil, and I've let it heat up. In this little container, remember this is doubled, I've got a half a cup of green peppers, and underneath that is a half a cup of onions. Putting this in. Get that spread around. Now I've got 2 teaspoons. I'm going to try to get this out by itself. I got 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Put that in too. Now the original recipe only called for 3 tablespoons of oil, but I was afraid that I wouldn't have enough oil in here because I doubled the recipe. So I added more. I added another tablespoon of oil. I hope I didn't put too much. We're going to let this cook about 1 minute. Alright. Now, I've got, it says to add 4 small potatoes, peeled and cubed. And I used more because I'm doubling the recipe. And that goes in next. And this is going to cook until the potatoes get brown. So I'm going to put them in here, and I'm not going to move them. I'm going to let them get brown in this medium, I think it's like a medium high. Now that the potatoes have browned and gotten soft, I'm going to add the rest of the spices. Now in this, I put them all in one bowl. I got 2 teaspoons of dried rosemary, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and let me see, and a little bit of salt and pepper in there. I can always add more, but this is going in. Stir it around a bit. Now the next ingredients are canned, and I was supposed to get roast beef with gravy. Well, they didn't have any. They didn't have any. Now the potatoes are softened and browned. Everything's in there. So the next, well, that didn't all go in. So I'm going to take care of that right now. Because I've doubled it now, I'm adding 2 cans of roast beef in broth. There's one. Here's the second one, because it's doubled, right? Now, I hope I don't mess this up, but because I didn't have gravy in the cans that I bought, and these are 12-ounce cans of roast beef in a broth. And I thought, well, I'm going to cook some rice or something so that I can put this over something. And then I thought, well, I don't know if I should because it's already got potatoes in it. So I think we're just going to eat it as a, you know, just in a bowl. I want to get this back boiling. But that's definitely roast beef. And I made a slurry, which is flour and water, hoping I can get this all thickened up like a gravy. And because I added so little salt and pepper, I can always add more if it needs it. So I'm going to let this boil and bring you back. Alright, I believe this is all hot and heated together, and I didn't need, and this is the way Sam wanted his, on white bread. So I'm going to take this liquid stuff, the potatoes, everything, and put it on his bread for him. And this is the way he wanted it. And I didn't add any more salt. I don't know what had a lot of salt in it. It could have been the roast beef, but I'm glad I didn't add any. I didn't even add, I might have added 1/4 teaspoon when I added. So I'm going to put this down here. I gave him a spoon. What'd you do with it, Sammy?
I've got it. Well, it's probably pretty hot. Is this roast beef?
Yeah, it is.
And potatoes.
And peppers and onions.
Oh, yeah, I like
garlic, rosemary.
Look at there. So I gotta let it cool a little bit. Ooh, it looks scrumptious.
It does look good, doesn't it? I'm going to cut this
I'll bet it is good.
way down. Now, if you like pepper, it could probably use some pepper. But it really didn't need any more salt.
Yeah, that's good. It's still a little hot.
Would you recommend it, Sam?
Yeah. I sure would.
Well, all right. Y'all, he doesn't have a joke, do you?
No, I don't have a joke today. Yeah, this is good. It's got a tad too much salt, but
I didn't put it in there. It had to have been in the roast beef.
It's edible. It's good.
Well, if y'all can find roast beef in gravy, that would be what was called for, but I made do. And there it is right there. I turned it way down, but it's still boiling. But thank you for coming in today and spending part of your day with me. I always appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up if you like the recipe. And it is good. I tasted it. Just a little salty. I shouldn't have added that 1/3 teaspoon of salt. Don't add any salt if you get the same type of canned 12-ounce cans of the roast beef. And subscribe if you haven't. It only takes a few seconds, and hit that bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So you all have a good rest of the week, and until I see you again, you all take care, and God bless every one of you. Hi, I forgot to tell y'all the recipe will be down below in the show more section, but it'll only be for the single recipe. It won't be doubled. If you want to double it, I mean, you can. But this is, just want you to know the recipe's there if you need it. God bless you.